Part 1. The Plan and the Pathos. Look at me. No, really, take a look. The heroic pose, the cape fluttering in the wind. I feel invincible. And here is my plan. Step 1. Conquer the world. Step 2. Get abs like The Rock. Step 3. Become obscenely rich. I am laser-focused. See that look in my eyes? That's the gaze of a winner. All right, let's get to work. A blank sheet, a pencil. The magic of productivity is about to begin. My hand is shaking. Why is it so hard to start? Oh, my phone. It just lit up. Buzz. The vibration goes straight through my nerves. No, I'm not looking. I'm busy. I'm a rock. Well, maybe just one quick peek? What if it's something urgent? Oh God, it started. Hypnosis. I'm a goner. Kittens. Dancing people. Someone eating a burger. More kittens. Funny fails. The glow of the screen is the only sun I see now. I haven't blinked in an hour. I think I'm actually drooling. Is it night already? Seriously? The moon? Where did the whole day go? Well, there it is. Again. I'm on the floor, crushed with bags under my eyes. I'm simply pathetic. Part 2. The Theory. All right, get up. Let's figure out why this happened. Meet your brain. And that little faucet inside? That's dopamine. Many people think it's happiness. Look, a drop drips. I'm happy. Ate some candy. Seeing stars. Pure bliss. But the moment that faucet shuts off, and I look at a math textbook, gloom, depression, pain. Let's go back in time. I'm a caveman. All I have is a club and a loincloth. Oh, berries. My brain screams, eat. That's calories. That's life. I am happy. Oh, a tiger. Run. I escaped. I'm happy again. Dopamine was necessary for survival. It drove us to act. And what about today? Today, I'm bombarded by hundreds of shiny bright balls. Notifications, likes, messages. I'm buried underneath them. I don't need to chase tigers. I just need to swipe. And then he appears. The main villain. The algorithm. Look at him. He's huge, angular, and evil. And the scariest part is, I'm on his leash. He dangles a picture of a kitty in front of me, and I follow him like a zombie. The choice is obvious. On the left, a boring gray book. On the right, a glowing portal to a world of fun. I want the book. I honestly do. But a rubber band is pulling me back to the phone. And here's the result. I'm sitting on the couch, paralyzed. I can't even choose a movie for the night. My brain is broken. Part 3. Withdrawal and Boredom. Enough. I'm taking control. Actually, I'm taking the phone and hiding it in a safe, chains around it, huge padlock. Goodbye, source of cheap thrills. And here I am, in the white void. Silence, eye-twitching. Where do I put my hands? Why is it so quiet? I walk in circles, back and forth, back and forth. I start looking at my hand. Fingers. Let's draw a face. Hello, finger. How are you? Are we going crazy? Yeah, looks like it. Is it me, or are the walls melting? Damn, where's the phone? I pat my pockets. They aren't there. I'm a drawing. Ah, boredom. I lie on the floor, ceiling, a crack. It looks like a map of Australia, or my grandma's face. Am I meditating? No, I'm just buffering. I see a dust mote. 1, 2, 3. Rolling on the floor like a sausage. Life is meaningless. But wait. Breathing is steady. The background is changing. I think I feel calm. Part 4. Recovery. The boredom has passed. I'm back at the desk, drawing a flower. My tongue is sticking out in concentration. Am I interested? Look at this graph. First, dopamine crashed into a pit, but now it's slowly rising. This is healthy growth. I go outside. Trees. Clouds. I smell a flower. The real world actually has high resolution. I read a book, and I realize I'm reading. I even put on glasses to look smart. I walk to the safe. It's open. The phone is there. I pick it up, look for 1 second, and put it back face down. I am free. Now I can do hard things. Push-ups? Easy. Work at the computer. I type like a god, steam coming out of my ears. Remember the formula. Boring plus boring equals fun. When you've worked hard, even a simple donut is a divine reward. I juggle tasks, sports, study, food. Balance found.